say, be sure to like and subscribe.
Okay.
And whip your hair.
No, I'm not doing
that. Okay. Great. We're not gonna get any subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Danny.
And I'm Paige.
And this is Wander Tears.
So this video, we are going to go through everything that went into our camper and the total cost of it all.
Let's get into it. All right, so starting out, you'll need a trailer frame. So we decided to find a local trailer manufacturer. We found them on Facebook. Basically, we went and found guys selling a bunch of trailers on Facebook and asked him where he gets his trailers from. It was that easy. After sending the manufacturer a photo of exactly what we wanted, he quoted us about 1,200 bucks, and it came in at exactly that. Go figure. And that included a 3,500 pound axle and brakes. All right, on to the materials.
So next is the building materials. This includes various pieces of plywood, 1x4s, 2x4s, insulation, construction adhesive, and all the hardware. So we spent right at $975 for all of this. And as you know, the prices have kind of skyrocketed right now, so you might actually spend a little bit more.
Yeah, and I'll leave a detailed description of everything we used down in the link or in the descriptions below. Okay, next is the electrical stuff. That includes everything that goes into the tongue box, the battery, the charger, the fuse panel, and then also the vent fan, charging stations, the little 12 volt electrical panels. What else? LED lights, the reading lights, and the switches. And all that came into $2,035. And that sounds like a lot, and it is, but half of that we spent on the battery alone. So there are options for the battery. We used the Battleborn 100 amp hour battery, but there's newer versions coming out that are half that price. So only time will tell how valuable it really is.
Okay, so next is the aluminum. This includes 2 painted sheets for the sides, and then mill finish for the roof. So the mill finish doesn't have any sort of coating on it. So this, as well as all the trim, the hurricane hinge, the T-latch handles, and the side table mounts, all came to right about $900.
Yeah, $905 to be exact. Okay, so now in a category of their own are the doors. So we actually paid, what was this, a year ago?
Year and a half.
Year and a half ago. We paid $785 for a set of 26 by 36 doors. Price has gone up considerably right now. I think they're about $805 for a pair. And that doesn't include the hardware to go with them. But I will say, having the pre-manufactured doors just sent to you and super easy to install, well worth it. $785 for our doors, but right now you're looking at about $830 for the set. Moving on.
And then we have some miscellaneous stuff like the mattress, the Yeti cooler, water jugs, and we spent about $550 on all of that.
Okay. All right, so for the trailer, $1,200.
Got it.
For the building materials, $975. Electrical, $2,035. Aluminum, $905. $785. And $555.
Told you.
Wow, okay. I was wrong. You're right. The total cost of everything we just discussed was $6,455. I somehow got on my notes $5,850. Maybe that's excluding the mattress and stove and cooler and stuff like that.
Yeah, because that's not really part of the build.
Yeah.
It's still a little off, but...
Yeah, okay. You know, that actually sounds like a lot of money, but it's a pretty good price.
Yeah.
And we've also made so many memories and friendships
Oh
on our travels.
That voice. No, it's awesome. I mean, we can hook up and be in the woods in a couple hours and really have no prep or setup once we get there. And you have a bed. It's pretty clutch.
Yeah, so nice. All right, that's it for this video. We'll put details about all the things we talked about down below in the description.
Thank you guys for watching.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Should wear your hat. You look
Why?
sexy in a hat.
Yeah?
Yeah. Except maybe the lighting's not as good. No,
Yeah.
definitely not backward.
You don't like backwards?
No. That's the one.
Yeah. Okay.
You can't look at your face.
Damn it.
That's a good thing.
No, I can't see myself.
Okay, ready?